Okay, landing checklist. Gear down 3 lights, flaps 30, auto brake 3, committed, autopilot, draw, anything special that we need to do because we're going one engine? No? Alright.
Yes, we're gonna have to fight that rudder trim, right?
Yeah, just live with it. Or you can have him turn it to 0 for you.
You want me to?
No,
Yeah.
just when the throttles come back.
Okay.
Just when he's about to touch the runway, go to 0 with him.
1,000.
Se siente el avión raro con cojones. Es lo mismo, ¿viste? Ya. Hay que practicarlo, ¿no?
Like a weeble wobble. Weeble. You remember that weeble wobble? What they won't fall down. Hey, you got it, man. You got it. You got it. You're playing your set now.
Oh, the windshield wipers. No, I'm just kidding.
Little high, you're correcting. There we go. Look at that.
500.
Look at that. Rod, I'm coming.
Wind check.
Wind check 0, 0, 0.
Plus 100.
Winds calm.
Minimums.
Wait till the throttle come back before you 0 the rudder.
Beautiful.
50. 40. 30. 20.
No.
10.
Fly her down, don't keep flaring. There you go. Beautiful. Fly the nose wheel down. No, you bang it. You don't do that. You can put it in reverse, the nose in the air.
With the one, I was going to ask you that. You could do that.
You can. I do it all the time.
I mean, both? Is that what you're saying?
In the real world, put the engines in reverse with the nose off the ground.